is a challenging yet common maneuver executed to switch to driving on the next lane. The objective of the video is to enhance your ability to change lanes. This video will demonstrate the steps to change to the right lane. Before changing lanes, check the traffic conditions ahead, the rear view mirror, and the right side mirror to ensure that it is safe to do so. As you check the right side mirror, look at the size of the vehicle. The larger the vehicle, the nearer the car is from you. Also, the faster the car's size enlarges, the faster the speed of the car. When the car is far and is not enlarging, it is safe to change lanes. Signal intention to the right for at least 3 seconds. When it is safe to change lanes, check your right blind spot. Adjust your speed accordingly to merge into the right lane and look ahead. You may either speed up or slow down to enable you to merge into the next lane. Merge into the next lane gradually. Next, once you have merged into the next lane, cancel your signal. This is to avoid confusing other road users as you have completed the lane change and resume normal driving. The steps to change to the left lane is the same as the above, except that you should signal left and check the side mirror and blind spots on the left. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz questions. 1. How should you judge the speed of cars coming from behind you? A. Turn your head to look behind to see how fast the car is approaching. B. Look at your rear view mirror to see how fast the size of the car changes. C. Look at your side view mirror to see how fast the size of the car changes. C. Look at your side view mirror to see how fast the size of the car changes. 2. You have finished checking the right blind spot to change to the right lane. Which action should you carry out next? A. Adopt an appropriate speed to change to the right lane. B. Signal intention to the right. C. Check your rear view and side view mirror. A. Adopt an appropriate speed to change to the right lane. 3. How long should you signal for before changing lanes? A. 1 second. B. 2 seconds. C. 3 seconds. C. 3 seconds. 4. What should you do after you have successfully changed lanes? A. Increase your speed. B. Use engine braking to reduce speed. C. Cancel your signal. C. Cancel your signal. 5. Which of the below statements about lane change is true? A. Change lanes abruptly if there are vehicles approaching you from behind quickly. B. Sometimes you may have to reduce your speed to change lanes. C. You should sound your honk so that others will notice that you are about to change lanes. B. Sometimes you may have to reduce your speed to change lanes.